Welcome to Montmartre and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, one of the centers of romance and artistic vibrancy in Paris. This enchanting neighborhood and its soaring sacred structure hold a special place not only in the city, but also in the hearts of people. Montmartre has been a meeting point for artists, writers, and those savoring life for centuries. As you wander its streets, you'll feel the artistic heritage of this place. It's where famous artists like Picasso and icons like Edith Piaf, who shone on cabaret stages on starry nights, found their inspiration. When you climb to the top of Montmartre Hill, you'll be greeted by the splendor of the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. This white stone structure, perched at the highest point in Paris, offers magnificent views of the city. The basilica's name means Sacred Heart and symbolizes a deep faith in both the city and its people. Stepping inside the basilica, you'll encounter stunning mosaics and a luminous interior. The light filtering in from the heavens creates a mystical atmosphere, and the interior is a place for reflection and inspiration. Montmartre and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica invite you to reflect on the interplay between art, faith, and the human spirit. They stand as a reminder that this neighborhood, with its artistic legacy, and the basilica, with its spiritual significance, both contribute to the rich tapestry of Paris. As you step back into the vibrant streets of Paris, let the spirit of Montmartre and the Sacré-Cœur inspire you to embrace the artistic beauty that surrounds you, to appreciate the heights of human creativity, and to remember that both art and faith have the power to elevate our lives. What experiences will you seek in this charming corner of Paris?